Let's use implicit differentiation to find the derivative of this equation. We have x over y equals 10. I'm going to start this out, and this is definitely not the only way you need to start this out. We could use the quotient rule on the left-hand side, but instead what I'm going to suggest is let's go ahead and just move the y to the other side. So I'm going to multiply y on both sides of this equation. Multiplying and dividing by y is going to eliminate that, make a 1. So we get x equals 10y. All right, now what we want to do is take the derivative with respect to x. So on the left-hand side, we're going to get a 1, right, as the derivative of x. We could put a dx with this because our variable was x, but dx over dx means 1, so we usually eliminate that. Just leave it off. All right, next, on the right-hand side, if I ask you what's the derivative of 10y, all right, you're going to go ahead and say, well, it's just linear, so it's going to be 10. But we also have to remember that we have our variable is y, so taking the derivative with respect to x, we need to put a dy dx with this. All that remains to get dy over dx on one side by itself is to get rid of that 10. And to eliminate that, it's multiplied by the dy over dx. So let's go ahead and divide both sides by 10. Multiplying by 10 and dividing by 10 makes 1, so that'll get it on one side by itself. We'll go ahead and end up with dy over dx, as I wrote it on the right-hand side, and that's going to equal 1 over 10 in our case. So I hope this helps out as you're working on implicit differentiation. Good luck.